Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to make an outline from your own hand lettering. Here we are going to get a blank layer and we're going to find a pretty color that we're going to use as our background. As you see here, I'm using this really pretty purple and I'm going to color drop it just by dragging and dropping into a blank layer. Next, we are going to add a new layer. We're going to choose the color white, and I'm going to choose the Pigeon Letters brush pen to do this, and I'm going to write a word. This word, I'm going to use hey. This word is simple enough for this tutorial, and it's also super fun to write. As you can see, it has lots of cool little turns. Next thing, we're going to duplicate that layer, go back to our bottom layer, and choose the color black. You'll see why in just a second. We're going to select that bottom hay layer, go back and fill it with that fill layer button. This makes the bottom layer black and the top layer white. That's what we want. Next, we're going to duplicate that black layer, and then we're going to move it just ever so slightly from the top right by tapping 4 times. You'll see that by doing that, it shifted that black layer just ever so slightly. So we're going to do it again. We're going to duplicate that black layer, and then we're going to move it from the upper left hand side. Tap, 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 tap 4 times. Duplicate it again, go to the bottom left, tap, 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 tap 4 times. One more time, we're going to go to the bottom right, tap 4 times. Now we're good. You'll see now that the white lettering now has a perfect black outline. Now we're going to merge all the black layers together by pinching all the layers. That merges them onto one flat layer. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn off the white layer. We're going to go into the black layer, and you'll see that it has some kind of weird white lines. We don't really want those. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap on that layer, and we're going to push select. Then we're going to go back to that layer and click fill layer. That fills that whole layer just completely black, so we don't have those weird white lines anymore. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to tap on the white layer and push select. This selects that white layer. So now we're going to go to the black layer and push clear. This completely clears that whole entire white layer from our black layer, leaving us with the perfect outline, which is what we were aiming for. But you may notice that there might be some layers or pieces of the outline that are a little wonky. That's okay. You can just go in with your brush, whatever brush you chose to do your lettering, and just kind of fix those little corners just a little bit, make them a little thicker. That's not really a big deal. So now what we're going to do is take another pretty color and we're going to color drop in where the white used to be. So now you have this pretty color with the perfect black outline, which was our goal. So I hope you liked this tutorial.